Nestled in the rolling hills of Kentucky's bluegrass region lies a place where elegance meets tradition. Keeneland Racetrack in the heart of Lexington, a timeless landmark in American horse racing, where every spring and fall, the thunder of hooves writes new chapters of glory. Founded in 1936, Keeneland isn't just a racetrack, it's a living monument to the sport of kings. From its historic stone architecture to the white-fenced paddocks, every detail honors the heritage of thoroughbred racing. Lexington, known as the horse capital of the world, is home to over 400 horse farms. With a population just under 325,000, it blends small-town charm with world-class equine excellence. The region's rich limestone soil and rolling pastures make it ideal for raising champions. Keeneland hosts some of the most prestigious races in the country, including the Bluegrass Stakes, a key prep race for the Kentucky Derby. But it's also known for its commitment to integrity, tradition, and the community it serves. Each April and October, fans from around the world gather here. The grandstands buzz with excitement, fashion, and Southern hospitality. Whether you're a seasoned handicapper or just soaking in the sights, Keeneland offers an experience like no other. Beyond racing, Keeneland is also a global center for the thoroughbred auction market. Its sales have produced countless champions, including 20 Kentucky Derby winners and 4 Triple Crown champions. It's where legends begin. Surrounded by historic stone walls and bluegrass fields, Keeneland is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a story, a tradition passed down through generations of horsemen and fans alike. Here in Lexington, the rhythm of hooves echoes through time. And at Keeneland, that rhythm is cherished in every race, every cheer, and every breathtaking moment. Welcome to Keeneland, where history runs deep and the future races forward.